Hello friends, today I am going to discuss normal lapse rate. What is normal lapse rate? Actually, decrease in temperature along with the increasing height is known as normal lapse rate, and the rate of decrease of temperature is 6.5 degrees centigrade per kilometer. So if anyone asks you what is the rate of decrease in temperature from the increasing height, you must tell this. It is 6.5 degrees centigrade per kilometer. The sun is the source of light and heat on the earth. Solar insolation is continuously coming to the earth's surface, and the solar insolation that is coming to the earth's surface is in the form of short waves, है ना. जैसे यूवी रेडिएशंस आते हैं, यूवी रेडिएशंस आर काइंड ऑफ शॉर्ट वेव रेडिएशन, एंड व्हेन दिस सोलर इंसोलेशन कोलॉइड्स विद द अर्थ सरफेस, जब ये टकराता है अर्थ सरफेस के बाद, आफ्टर इट हिट्स द अर्थ सरफेस, द नेचर ऑफ इंसोलेशन चेंजेस, नेचर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव्स चेंजेस. इट चेंजेस फ्रॉम शॉर्ट वेव्स टू लॉन्ग वेव रेडिएशन. long wave radiations, it changes to long wave radiations, and this long wave radiation actually heats the atmosphere. Okay, so intensity of these long waves is more here around the surface. ये जब टकराएगा, then it would be after hitting this surface, the reflected back solar radiation is called as terrestrial radiation. Atmosphere is heated by the reflected back solar radiation or terrestrial radiation. So because when it changes into terrestrial radiation, it is more influential around the surface. surface के पास ये ज़्यादा influential होता है, intensity इसकी ज़्यादा होती है, और उसके साथ ही क्या होता है, ये ऊपर की तरफ उठता जाता है. So if intensity is more here, heating would be more here. Atmosphere is always heated by the long wave radiations, and along with the increasing height, intensity declines. So with that, temperature also declines. तो नीचे से ऊपर की तरफ जाते हुए जो टेम्परेचर का डिक्लिनेशन होता है, इसके लिए आपको एडियाबैटिक प्रोसेसेस को भी थोड़ा सा समझना पड़ेगा, वो मैं आपको बताऊंगा. सो दिस decrease in temperature along with the increasing height is called as normal lapse rate. Inversion of temperature is also a process that is important in climatic processes, which is condition just opposite to normal lapse rate. वो मैं आपको किसी और वीडियो में बताऊंगा. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर टुडे.